Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stay-at-Home Grandma, and I think I'm bringing you the last one for the night because I'm tired. This is the Tapestry review. This is a really nice tapestry. And I don't know whether I'm going to hang it behind the wall on my bed or what I'm going to do with it as yet. But it is really, really pretty. And I got this because I wanted it, and I think I'm going to put it behind my bed, but I'm not sure. We'll see. It's got deer down in the bottom of it. Can you see that? It's got the most beautiful deer. It actually is a beautiful tapestry, and I'm quite fond of it. And I just don't know whether I'm going to put it behind my bed. The reason being is that unless I'm going to change them around, because things like this collect dust, and we live in a very old house. It's over 100 years old. So dust comes very easy to this house. So having said that, I like this. And if you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up, and I will leave everything for you in the comment section should you want to order it. So I love you. Take care. God bless.